ang ating tubig ginawang negosyo ng mga tao dito sa Pilipinas. Ang ngayon, ang inabutan natin, ang may-ari na ngayon, Manila Gas, Maynilad, si Ayala, pati si Pangilinan. Alam mo, wala man akong question. Magnegosyo kayo dito. I told you I will protect you. I told you that if there's any corruption, just let me know and I will handle it personally. Ang nangyari dito, matagal na to. But I remember Drilon making a side remark when I was talking about these contracts. And he said, dahan-dahan ka dyan, Presidente, kasi siya lang ang tumatawag ng Presidente. Mayor man ang, hindi man ako Presidente. Tapos sabi niya, dahan-dahan ka dyan because we can lose millions and billions of pesos in damage. Ngayon, all these years, contracts were signed during Aquino's time. Sa babae ba ito? Kay Ramos yan, no? But started with, alam ko kay Aquino itong sila faktura noon ng yan. I remember, I told you last night, we had a cabinet meeting until 4 o'clock this morning. Ito lang ang pag-usapan natin because I really adamant about the Filipino being screwed. Kawawa ba, tao? Meron tayong mga masagana 99, hindi natin ma-revive. Gusto kong i-revive yan. Walang pera, tapos kulang ang mga tao, walang pagkain, tapos ganito. We are being milked by billions and pinapabayad pa tayo ng mga fines and penalties. Ganito ang nangyari niyan. Atin ang tubig. Si Manila Gas, Manila Water, buti i-gas they should gas themselves to death. Atin ang tubig, sila ang distributor, Manila Water. Ngayon, may pumasok tayo sa kontrata na distributor lang sila. But they were treating as if it was a mining gold o diamond. Ang kontrata napakatagilid na tagilid. Because if they fail to realize the profit during the lifetime of the contract or at any period, babayad tayo sa nalugi nila. Anak ng putang ina naman ninyo kung gano'n. So, we were late because I had Solgen and ang ating secretary. You read the contract. I will make it public anyway. I cannot explain everything. For one, wala ang tulog. I had to catch up with the order paper. Ganyan ang nangyari. Guaranteed sila na kung hindi mag-demanda nila tayo, na last time we paid 3 because we interfered in the contract. We cannot raise or lower the rates. Sila lang. Our water, we cannot control the price to which we collect to deliver the water to the people. Wala talagang